Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's great to see you guys again. Today in this video I'm going to design a modern logo which we are going to use the sturdy cube shape here with our Illustrator. So first here we need to create our own custom grid so we can create this type of logo. But before we are going to create this custom logo, let me show you the colors here. So we're going to use these two colors as a shadow here. Let me show you the color code. So here we have the color code which is in hex for this color, for this one as well. And also here we have the color codes for other colors as well. So I have my text which is my brand name with and also my tagline for that brand. So here I'm going to grab my pen tool, and here I'm going to click, and by holding shift we are going to make the straight line. So we can make a straight line on the top of the grid as well. So here I'm going to hold the alt key and I'm going to just drag it right here. So by pressing Ctrl D we're going to make duplicate copies from this line. So we're going to make this which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we only need this 9 lines here. So let me also group it, right click, group it. So now we need to click on this edit and click on copy and click on paste in place. So we need to right click here on transform. We need to click on rotate. So we need to rotate this 65 degrees. And again we need to go to the edit, click on copy and paste in place, right click, and here we are going to just click on reflect and click on OK. So now I'm going to select all the lines here, Control G to group it. The shortcut for to group any object here is to press Control G on your keyboard. So here you have to right click and select this polygon tool and click on artboards. We're going to make this 6 sides here. By holding Alt and Shift, I'm going to scale this. And also right click here on transform, click on rotate. We're going to rotate this 90 degrees. And also we're going to convert this fill to a stroke here for this shape. And also we're going to expand this. We're only going to not expand, but we are going to align it here with our I think this is perfect, but I need to scale this a little bit more so I can increase the stroke size here for this. So now I'm going to select everything. So this is going to be the middle line for this logo design. So I'm going to get my shape builder tool, select my color here and remove the stroke. So now I'm going to make our first part. So only we require this part of the shape, and we're going to make the copies out of this. Let me zoom in so we can. Okay, perfect. So we're going to select only this shape, put it right here. And we're going to select all the rest of lines and just removed. I think the only thing here need to be fixed is the top, as you can see. Let me undo this so we can fix this. Let me zoom in so I can fix this problem. Okay, now it looks good from here. But also we have to fix this and also this one. So only we require this part of the shape. So we can adjust that by when you're going to rotate the lines, you can just go with a 60, or you can try less than that, but you can fix it just like this as well. So I'm going to get my shape builder tool, and here I'm going to fill it. Okay, perfect job. We're going to right click and group. We only need this shape. Right click again and group it. And here I have this shape. So let me put it right here. So we have this shape now. And I want to create multiple copy from this. So I'm going to hold Alt and we're going to just drag it and put it right here. So I need my pen tool so I can create some kind of hole inside this shape. So we only require this line, and now I can use my shape builder tool to fill it with a color. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to use my colors for the shadow. And also I'm going to change the color for this shape as well. Let me select all the shapes which is here, the shadow and this one. So for this one, I'm going to apply something. Let's try to apply this color, and also on opacity, you have to change this blending mode to multiply for this. So now you have to select all the shapes here. For this one, what we are going to do is that I'm going to scale it. And also I'm going to just put it right here, but you have to send this to back, something like this. And again, you need to make a copy out of this one. So we're going to click on copy and paste in place. Just put it right here. Or we're going to send this to the back of this here. So let me change the color. So we're going to change the color for this as well. Okay, perfect job. So we're going to select everything and I'm going to align this. But the only shape that here we have is that you should see the spaces. You should check all the spaces which is here. The only thing, as you can see, we have this space right here. You can get your pen tool and you can fill it with the color for this shape. Okay, perfect. So I'm going to select my, before we're going to select, let me see if there's anything to change. Nothing. Now we are going to select everything, Control G, and here I'm going to put the logo. So now we have a modern logo designed here with Illustrator. And also I'm going to scale this, Control G, group it and put it on the center of the artboard. So this is how you can make a modern logo out of this 3D cube shape with Illustrator. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learn how to design this kind of modern logo. And if you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.